Oh, look at that. I already left this rag soaking. I'm going to have to discard it.
And you put bleach on it and it didn't come off?
I put chlorine in it. I already put everything in it and the dirt doesn't come out and it has damaged my hands. I have a lot of allergies.
No, but don't throw it away, because that rag is still new.
New?
Yes, it is new. Look, it doesn't have any holes. It's just dirty. I have a tip for you, that if you apply it, you can remove all that dirt. Look, but don't throw it away. Give it to me here. I'm going to recover this rag and I'm going to leave it very clean. Look at what you have to do to remove this dirt. Take a good look at what you have to do. Come here. It's something you have at home. And oh, look at it. Do you see it? It is there.
But are you crazy?
It's right here, look.
That's papaya.
Yes, it's papaya, that's right, with a papaya leaf.
Oh, you're kidding.
No, I'm telling you the truth.
You are going to fall.
All the dirty comes out. If you use a papaya leaf, after this recipe, you'll never buy soap again. With these leaves, you can wash up to 12 kilograms of clothes. Any dirt will come out if you put the papaya leaves on it. The dirt comes out as if by magic and the clothes are clean. I am seeing that the rag is really very dirty.
Yes, it is very dirty.
And you already tried to wash it with chlorine and the dirt did not come out.
I let it soak for a long time. I squeezed it. I almost died crushing it.
So now I'll explain what you're going to do to remove the dirt. Now that we place the papaya leaf here, this dirt will come out as if by magic. It's very easy to do, look. First of all, let me put the leaves here. And with any soap we give it a little wash. And now, with the papaya leaves, we scrub it. We scrub it with these papaya leaves. It's just that people already forgot to use this. If you want to leave any clothes clean, white, you just need to use the papaya leaves this way. All the dirt, the stains, you'll see. Do you notice it?
Yes.
If you look closely, that dirt, the one who didn't leave. You see it? There are no cuts, the strong dirt is gone. Using only those papaya leaves. Look closely. So the leaves are here. You already have kind of an oil on top of this cloth.
Aha.
It is as if it were a gel that comes out of the papaya leaves. Take a look, take a good look, see what the papaya leaves are doing.
Yeah.
Look.
How good.
Look.
Wow, look at the color of that water.
Look at the dirt coming out of here. Look at what the papaya leaves are doing to our rag. Look, the papaya leaves are going to leave this rag clean. And it's still got a little dirt, but watch what I'm going to do now. I'm seeing that there's still a little dirt here.
Yes, it has some dirty spots.
So what am I going to do now? I'm going to take a container, like this one here, I'm going to pour a little water into it. Look, we put a little papaya leaves on it, a little here, right? And it's enough, because the leaves that we are using are very large, some smaller leaves could be used, and we leave it to soak together with the cloth. And that's because the rag is pretty dirty. This rag is really dirty.
And how long do we leave it there?
You can leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, you don't need more than that, right?
Wow.
This is stronger than chlorine. Take a good look at what's going to happen when we leave this here for 10 or 15 minutes. Look closely. If you have a rag that is not as dirty as ours was, just washing it with some little papaya leaves resolves. You do not need to soak it. We are soaking this one here because I really want all the dirt to come out. I am going to leave it here for 10 minutes in the papaya leaves, and in a moment we will see the result. The rag was extremely dirty, it was immersed in the chlorine for about 1 hour, and even then the dirt did not come out, but with the papaya leaves the result will be different. The dirt will come out completely. Look closely, 10 minutes have passed, and look at the effect caused by the papaya leaves. Look closely, I'm going to take the rag out of here after 10 minutes, we're going to put a little water on it. And now you're going to see the magic. Take a look, see how it turned out?
Incredible.
Where is all the dirt? Pay attention.
Looks like it's new.
How white is it?
It is quite white. It seems that it is new. That's very clean. It turned out very white. It even looks like another rag.
Now we remove the papaya leaves, look. And look how your rag turned out. Look, where is the dirty rag?
It really looks like a new rag. It is very clean. Impeccable. Perfect.
Where is the dirty rag? The rag is clean now because we used papaya leaves.
Thank you very much.
No more suffering when it comes to washing dirty laundry. You can use rags to dry dishes, or to dry the floor. Any fabric you have in the house that is very dirty, to leave the cloth clean, you do not have to use more chlorine. You will no longer suffer from allergies from that chemical product on your hands. Use a papaya leaf. If you use papaya leaves, take a good look. Using the papaya leaves on your rag, the dirt disappears. Goodbye dirt, goodbye stains, goodbye dirty clothes, with papaya leaves. It is for you to stop using chlorine. Stop mistreating your hands with chlorine and chemical products. If you use papaya leaves, the rags will be clean. That's today's advice. Look here, right?
Perfect advice. I loved it, of course.
It's very easy to do. Share this video. People already forgot to use this. If you want to leave any clothes clean, white, you only need to use the papaya leaves this way. Take a look.
How good.
All the dirt, all the stains, you'll see it the effect caused by the papaya leaves. Look closely. I'm going to take the rag out of here after 10 minutes. We're going to put a little water on it. And now you're going to see the magic. Take a look.
Wow.
See how this rag turned out.
Incredible.
Where is all the dirt?
Looks like it's new.
Look.
It is quite white.
Look how it turned out white.
It seems that it is new. That's very clean.
Where is the dirty rag? The rag is now clean because we used papaya leaves.